Hey guys, how's it going? It's your host Little Ace Boogie, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all something a little different out of the realms of my videos. But I just want to go ahead and show y'all. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to basically uplift your iPhone. Doesn't matter if it's a brand new one like the iPhone X, if it's the XR, if it's the iPhone 7 Plus. Here I have the iPhone 6 as a demonstration, and this is the one I'm gonna be doing today, showing y'all how to uplift your phone. I know a lot of us don't have a lot of money to be spending on brand new phones every time they come out. So, if you want something different, sometimes change it up a little bit. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do that with these few items right here on this video coming. So be sure to stay tuned. And thank you for watching. Alright guys, so basically I'm not sure if any of y'all are wondering how I came to do this video or what instilled me to want to make this video, but nonetheless, for those wondering, I had a couple people ask me when I posted it, because I have already done this. I did a previous model with this same phone. I took it off already, but I did a previous model with this phone already, and I'll be showing y'all a little video up here in the top right corner. Nonetheless, I posted it, so people say, hey, how'd you do that? Where did you buy the stuff? Was it easy? Who did it for you? Whoop de whoop. And so basically I just want to go ahead and show y'all, and that way I could give y'all some content. And for those who want to give your phone an uplift, this will be great instructions for you, as well as great information. So basically I'm sure y'all are wondering, okay, well, how are you gonna uplift your phone with these few items? So basically guys, what I got here is some iPhone cases, the usual. It's not pretty, you don't have to be any type of phone geek or anything to know that you can change your phone with just a basic cover. I have a couple here. I have this one as well, and I have another one that I'll show you in a bit. But nonetheless, I also have a tempered glass, which I just any tempered glass. I'll be showing you right now in a little bit what I mean by that. I also have here the same one, and look, here's this better demonstration of this. But nonetheless, guys, this is one of the main components that a lot of people were asking me about. Is basically a skin. This one right here is black, as you guys can see. These phones right here are both silver, but this is the skin that I'm going to be placing on there, and I'm going to be showing you right now how to do that. It's not really that hard. You just have to be sure to be steady about it. That way you don't, because it's really a one-time chance. Once the skin is on there, it's on there completely. So you want to be careful with it. That way you put everything in the right places. Alright, so for the first step, we're gonna have to do is you're gonna wrap your phone, of course. Sorry about that, guys. I literally just got my phone replaced yesterday for like the 8th time, I think. So before I go any further, guys, I'm pretty sure everybody's question is, because I'm talking about all these items, the skins, the protectors, the phone protectors, the case protector, blah blah, and I'm pretty sure everybody's big question is gonna be price. I just want to let y'all know that whatever I'm showing y'all, it will be underneath $20. So you're basically giving your phone an uplift for the low price of $20. I'm looking up the prices right now. They're basically not even gonna be $20. I bought this skin right here for $1.20, and this skin right here was $1.19, basically $1.20. These right here, which are gonna be the full cases, and I don't like just the small ones that they try to sell you. I always like to buy these because they protect your whole rim of your phone, not just the screen itself. And then as far as these other cases that I have here, you can buy these for $10. You got Louis, Gucci, Babe, whatever you guys like. If not regular ones for cheaper prices. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, before I do start putting the skin on here, I just do want to let you know that everything will be underneath $20 for everything in total. So, not bad for pricing. So let's go ahead and get into the fun part. I will be fast forwarding this a little bit because I'm pretty sure I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it shouldn't take more than like a minute or two, depending on how fast I want to do it. But nonetheless, I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward a little bit. That way you don't have to sit with me to the whole thing. Alright guys, so basically I'm done already. This is basically what the finishing product looks like. Like I said earlier, you only get one chance at this, so I did it nearly perfect. I'm not gonna say it is perfect, but if you don't necessarily get it on there perfect, you get your edges like this, with your other edges being more fully overlapped than what they need to be. Unfortunately, it did come out like that, but nonetheless, I hope you guys get the theory of it, that when you get your one shot at it, for the most part, your back does look clearly plain and soft, different color. This is what a finishing product of the skin looks like. Like I said, you can buy these for $1.19. These right here, to uplift your phone, you can get them in yellow, you get them in orange, black, blue, like the one I posted up on the top right corner video earlier. You can get them all in those different colors for $1.19. That was the first part. For the second part, guys, is gonna be this right here. Let me go ahead and get these few items over here real quick again. Alright guys, so basically, yeah, like I was saying, this is right here is gonna be the ending product. Next, what you're gonna have is the front part, of course. I mean, like I said, you wanna be able to fully uplift your phone. So what you got here, like me, is I got the white one. Same thing here. I got the white one again. Like I said, you get the skin for either iPhone 6s or whatever. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Everything that I buy is completely off of eBay. If I ever show you anything, my main purchase and my main site to go to is eBay for all of my materials, phone cases, car parts, etc. You name it, they got it. But nonetheless, I bought the skin right here on eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and post a couple more pictures up here on the top right, so you guys can see the other skins available if you like this finish, and as well as the blue one that I did up here on the top right a little earlier. So for the first part was the skin. The second part is gonna be your face, which is the part you're gonna be looking at for most of the time. This right here, like I said, was the white one. I have this one right here for the iPhone 7 Plus, which is gonna be mine. I bought this one in gold. Let me go ahead and open it real quick, that way I can go ahead and show y'all. Here you go, guys. Basically, this is the gold one right here. Like I was telling you, you have the white one right here if you guys want to keep it simple in the same way as yours. I do recommend that you go ahead and buy these. These right here came out to a price of, I apologize, this one right here came out to a price of $3.95. But like I said, we're keeping it underneath the budget of Mr. Jackson. Anyways, but yeah, guys. So this is the white one right here. This is the gold one. I'm sure they do have the black one. They have the white one. They also have different colors if you want to go ahead and pick the blue one or red one. I'll be making sure to post some pictures of these as well up here, of the ones. And again, this is all from eBay, so you know, under $20 right here. As you can see, you can go ahead and have the black skin with the gold face. And this actually does cover the whole outer rim. Some people mostly drop their phone right here in the top bottom corner or any corner along the phone, which makes it crack, and then eventually it just cracks the whole phone. So I highly do recommend that you guys buy these right here. Really simple, really cheap. For the last part, guys, is gonna be the back case, which is just simple. But I just want to go ahead and tell y'all, that way you guys do have a third option if you guys want to go ahead and mix match your options and put your own phone together in your own perspective. But for the most part, guys, right here, I have this one. I had this one lasted me for a while. I had this one for approximately, I don't want to say about a year or so. This one right here is a Gucci Tiger. I bought this one from eBay as well. This one was, I believe, like 12, 13 bucks. Same thing for this one right here. I got this one from eBay. This is the Bape with the Bape camouflage. And this right here is for the iPhone X. You know, my iPhone X comes soon. And the Bape Monster right there in the middle. And then, which is the other one I got? This one right here, the Supreme with the Bape. This one right here, pretty cool. Go ahead and show you guys. So this is your last third option. If you guys want to go ahead and buy one of these or something a little bit more simpler, they do have all the options that you guys need and anything that you want on the eBay website. Alright guys, so mostly the last thing that I want to go ahead and talk to y'all about would be, which would be the screens. The screens as well, if you guys want to go ahead and uplift your phone, there's another fourth option. This one requires a little bit more than $20, of course. This is your last and reserve option. You guys can always go to eBay as well and buy another screen, a completely different screen. But you're gonna be looking up, of course, it's gonna be an LCD screen for your entire screen, which is the components that make your screen light up, as well as a screen replacement and all that. You can also go on eBay. You buy one. You can buy one for at least $22, $23. You can buy it on eBay, and then from there you just take it to one of your local iPhone repair places or phone replacement places, and they usually charge you about $25 to $30 worth for labor. In this situation, guys, I do recommend that you guys do that. There are a couple pros and cons to it. Cons being sometimes the phone might get a little jittery. There's a possibility, not a high possibility, but it is a possibility. And the pro would be you spending less money than they would charge you to fix your phone. Prime example, my iPhone 7 Plus here, like I said previously, I fixed this phone maybe about 7, 8 times. Man, I can't even count it, to be honest. And truth be told, I just changed the screen 2 months ago, and I broke it about a month ago. So this phone's always breaking on me. Why do I represent all these cases and stuff I don't use them? I don't know, maybe just because I like my phone lighter and without a case. But nonetheless, to each their own choice. But I do guys want to recommend that you guys go ahead and buy the screen on eBay as well. Or you can also go to Amazon, depending on the price and your variability of the price that you guys want to pay for the screen. You guys go ahead and pay for the screen. They do have it in black as well if you guys want to go ahead and change the screen to black. I'm not sure they do have other colors. I'm pretty sure you can find them on that site or not any other sites that are available through the website or through the internet. And so yeah, I basically went to go fix this phone. They charged me $70 and it's an iPhone 7 Plus. What I go ahead and do, and I've been doing this for a while, and I want to go ahead and tell you guys so that way you guys have the knowledge of this as well. I would go and I would buy the screen from eBay. This is one of the examples. I fix my own iPods, and sometimes I fix my own phones as well as far as the screens go. But I buy the screen for roughly $20. I take it to them, they fix it me for $25. So basically I'm paying $45 for a $70 job that they would charge me. They do give me a 30-day warranty if the phone starts to get a little jittery if I buy the product from them, from the company. But I'm spending about 50% maybe 60% more than what I'm going to be paying for the price that they give me. So it's just a third option. Whenever you buy a phone such as this, such as an iPhone 8, iPhone X, items like that, you know, since they're brand newer phones, the screen and the replacement of them are going to cost more depending on those who have Apple Care and those who don't. For those who have Apple Care, I'm pretty sure it's going to be less money for you, probably $100. But nonetheless, whenever I got this phone brand new, they were charging me $120, $140 just to fix it, when I could go to eBay, buy the item for approximately $30 back then, get it go to replace, and I would be having a $120, $130 iPhone repair job for a low price of maybe $67 back then. As time the phones get older, of course, so the price goes down on the screens, and you know, phones are always coming out. But I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all and tell y'all about this option because you know, not all of us have money. So for those who are on a sustainable budget, you know, you guys go ahead and check that out. For the most part, guys, I thank you guys for watching this video. For those who made it to the end, y'all be sure to check out my other videos. I will be posting some more up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your host, Little Ace Boogie. I'm out.